Today we're going to show you a little bit from Function Automotive. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, I know a lot of people are stuck inside right now, and I wanted to be able to show you something, at least give you some eye candy, because there's a lot of places that are still open, especially when it comes to repair shops and tuner shops. I'm here at Function Automotive right now. I got a couple of cars I'm going to take a look at, show you some of the work they're doing. This is a reputable shop. It's something good that we can kind of add to the Chop Shop series, but in the same time, you guys can look at something, because I know a lot of you guys are stuck inside, so check it out. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that quickie. Just remember, this is something that even in some of the situations that we had, critical workers are usually people that are working on cars. So even if this stuff gets closed down, a lot of times these places are still open, they're still doing business. And they're having a rough time right now because basically everything's getting closed down, and people are telling them to shut up shop. So that's the other thing is I hope that we're going to get through this quick. I hope everything's going to be okay. And that's the thing is because these guys are going to need our support soon and putting stuff in their hands. So best of luck to everybody out there. We're going to keep doing some videos, keep making some stuff, trying to bring you something during this time. Because a lot of you guys are stuck home. So as long as we can bring you something, that's going to be great. And otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out some of these other videos, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.